Nerve health is an area of our health that is sometimes neglected, but I would want to discuss it with you since it is very essential. The importance of nerve health, the effective operation of our body, depends entirely on our nerves. By transmitting messages from our brain to the rest of our body, the nerves function like communication cables. These messages are ineffective if there are unhealthy nerves. In the United States, the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC, reports that more than 20 million people are affected with peripheral neuropathy, which can be referred to as nerve damage. Problems caused by damaged or inflamed nerves. That being said, why is maintaining the health of our nerves so vital? I'll tell you about some of the issues that might arise from inflammation or injury to our nerves. First, if you have ever experienced a pins and needles sensation in your foot that simply would not go away, that is an example of an irritated nerve. Over time, untreated nerve problems like this can worsen and significantly affect your quality of life. Inflamed or damaged nerves can cause tingling, numbness, and pain in our hands, feet, arms, and legs. Serious digestive problems including nausea, vomiting, bloating, and constipation can be brought on by damaged nerves. Your digestion suffers if the vast network of nerves that regulate gut function isn't functioning correctly. Let me share some of the best nutrients for enhancing nerve health. The good news is that we may use food and certain supplements to treat and nourish our nerves. Vitamin B1, thiamine, or vitamin B1 is the first item on the list. Vitamin B1 is essential for the defense and healthy operation of nerve cells. The development of myelin, which coats nerve fibers, is also aided by it. Vitamin B1 may be found in foods such as sunflower seeds, liver, eggs, lentils, oats, and nutritional yeast. Additionally, you might take a B1 supplement to ensure that you are getting adequate. 1 to 2 milligrams per day is the recommended consumption. Omega-3 fatty acids. Fish oil contains omega-3 fatty acids, such as EPA and DHA, which are excellent for nerves. Omega-3s from walnuts, chia seeds, flax seeds, salmon, sardines, trout, mackerel, and walnuts have anti-inflammatory properties that help soothe inflamed nerves and enhance nerve cell-to-nerve contact. Try to have between 250 and 500 milligrams daily. Curcumin. Due to its antioxidant qualities, curcumin, the main ingredient that gives turmeric its vivid yellow hue, is an excellent way to lessen oxidative damage to neurons. Utilize the therapeutic qualities of turmeric by adding it to rice meals, poultry recipes, soups, smoothies, and curries. Black pepper improves absorption when taken with a curcumin pill. A good therapeutic dosage is 500 to 1,000 milligrams daily. Vitamin D. A healthy neurological system may be developed and maintained with the aid of vitamin D, which is essentially a neurosteroid hormone. Salmon, egg yolks, and fortified dairy products are a few healthy food sources. When your skin is exposed to sunshine, your body also produces vitamin D. The goal is to increase vitamin D levels by getting 10 to 15 minutes of noon sun exposure 2 or 3 times a week. For those who are deficient, supplementing with around 2,000 to 4,000 IU daily may be very beneficial. It is best for nerve health to get your vitamin D from a mix of diet, sun, and supplements as necessary. Actionable steps to improve nerve health. Do you want some concrete steps to begin going? This week, try include extra salmon, eggs, and leafy greens in your meals to increase your consumption of nutrients that are good for your nerves. I hope this video has given you some ideas for enhancing your nerve function and helped you understand why nerve health is so essential. As usual, before making any dietary changes, especially if you are using medication with your doctor. Once again, thank you for watching, and don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more advice on nutrition and health. Watch the next video, and I'll see you there.